Going on, everybody? It's your boy Crispy, and in this video, I'm gonna go over whether or not KOT4X is legit. All right, and I actually used them for a few weeks. All right, and the reason why I actually use them is a lot of my mentors they use them as well. As you know, a lot of mentors, a lot of people who trade in this industry do use them. And I would say, I'm going to just start off just plain and clear. I think they're legit. All right. And the reason why I think that they're legit is, as you can see here, I started off with $300 with them just to see exactly how smooth, um, it was as far as the withdrawal process and um, how fast it took. And what I ended up doing is I actually deposited $10,000 into that specific account. All right, $10,000 is a lot of money, especially when you're investing into something you don't know, can actually work out in your favor. So obviously, it was a little bit scary. I'm not gonna lie. And for anybody investing into forex, you're starting something new, you're putting your hard work cash into something that potentially can just vanish in the blink of your eye. As you know, KOT is not regulated. Um, so that was one of the main reasons why I made the switch. But when I actually got through with going to a regulated broker, um, it actually clicked that my money was safe from the jump. So as you see here, this is my withdrawal history from KOT4X. All right, this is $10,000. I think if they were scammers in any sense of the word, I think that they would have most likely scammed me out of this money here. But the transaction, it was very quick. I scheduled my withdrawal on Friday, and by Monday I actually received my funds in my Bitcoin address. The reason why it actually took long is I actually had to do some secondary verifications since it was such a large amount. They wanted to make sure it was me and not somebody else that hacked my account. So I had to send in a picture of me holding my ID with the withdrawal amount, as a selfie. So that took over the weekend, but everything went smooth. I got my money, and what ended up happening you know, I made the switch just because I wanted to go ahead and switch to a regulated broker. Obviously, I went to Forex, FX Choice, and this past week, I mean, FX Choice froze up on me. It's a little bit laggy. So what I ended up doing is I'm actually switching over to Prosperity. All right, and Prosperity. If you look at this compared to this dashboard, it's it's literally the same. Literally the same. All right. The only difference is that with Prosperity FX, it gives you the ability to make money from referring friends. All right. So that's pretty cool. So basically, if you've stayed and watched this whole video, um, and you're thinking about whether you're going with KOT4X, and you're scared, I would say, listen, in this business, you have to just more so know how to trade, because I think that's the only way you're going to lose your money, by trading badly, poorly. So basically, um, KOT is definitely not a scammy broker. I wouldn't call it that. Maybe other people have had problems. I have to speak for what happened to me, and obviously this is a large amount, so I can pretty much vouch for KOT and say that they are legit. Now, the reason why I'm not using them, like I said, is Prosperity is offering referrals. So I'm able to go ahead and, pass this over to all of my followers, all of my friends who want to get into trading, and then I can make a commission off of them as well, and so far I'm liking the way Prosperity is. They offer low spreads, they offer stocks, they offer all the commodities indexes. So that's a plus. I actually had to switch from FX Choice because FX Choice does not give you the ability to trade over the weekend like Bitcoin or anything. And then also, two, they don't give you the ability to trade stocks and a lot of different other items there. They only specifically do FOREX. So that's the one problem with regulated brokers. That's why I'm actually switching back over to an unregulated broker, Prosperity, and they claim to be an A-book broker. So so far no problems at all. I did a test deposit and a test withdrawal, and everything went good. Um, and right now, I'm actually going to be switching over all of my funds over the weekend from FX Choice to Prosperity, and then I'm going to keep on trading. So I got more videos coming. If you want to use the new broker, all right, the broker that I recommend, which is Prosperity FX, definitely go ahead and use the link in my description. And for sure, it's legit from my understanding, and I'm trading with it now. And obviously, I'm using a larger account. So if you're starting out and you're putting in $100 to $500, I'm sure you're gonna be fine. I'm putting in $10,000 into this account, and I've had no problems. Withdrawals quick, deposits are quick, and like I said, no problems with KOT. So you know I might go back to KOT later down the line, like who knows, but for now, Prosperity FX is where I'm at. And I just wanted to go ahead and clear up some air, and maybe you find this helpful. And you know that's about it. Subscribe, like this, share this, and until the next video, peace.